Hi squad. Okay, first move of today's workout is karaoke. Check it out. So I'm going to do this in slow-mo so you can see. It's in front and behind. Front, behind. So enjoy that one, it's super fun. And I'll see you for exercise number 2. Next move is a resistance band row. So let's set this up here. We're gonna put this in the door. Cool. All right. And here we go. I'm gonna back away so that I have enough resistance. Ooh, need more than that. Okay. So we're gonna back away so we have plenty of resistance. Lots and lots of resistance. So I'm pretty far from the door, but it's gonna feel good. So we're gonna start out with our palms facing down, and then we're gonna bring it into neutral grip. Squeeze for a full second, come back. Squeeze. You should really feel this in your upper and mid back, right between your scapulae rather. And that is the resistance band row. The next move is a pike move with either a paper towel, no, not a paper towel, I'm sorry, a towel, like I have an old dish towel here, or some paper plates. You can use 1 or 2 paper plates, whatever you prefer. So I'm gonna put this right between my feet. I'm gonna get into a plank position. So here I am. Boom, and you can do this. Make sure you don't overarch and don't do too much of that. Just nice, sturdy plank. And then you're gonna bring it in with your knees back out. So see how my knees go pretty much into my chest. Or you can do the straight leg version. That's a little bit harder than this version. You can do a blend of both too if you want. You can kind of go back and forth. Or you can start out with the straight leg ones, you know, and then once you get really tired and can't do anymore, you can switch to bent legs, whatever you want to do. So there is your pike done at home. The next move is a box jump, and I'll show you an alternative if you guys don't have a sturdy surface to jump up on, or if the surface you have is too low. But first, let me show you the box jump. Your alternative. Basically what I'm doing is I'm jumping as far as I can, and I'm landing nice and easy with bent knees. I'm starting out in kind of a partial squat to give me as much power as possible. If you're doing this workout at home and you don't have a barbell or a preloaded barbell, you can do this with your heaviest set of dumbbells. So here it is, check it out. that's it. Enjoy your wonderful at-home workout, and I will see you tomorrow.